Division Java for Beginner Part 19. This video I will be show regarding about method overloading. Last video I show how to do method overriding. Let's see guys how we can do that. So I'm going to create a one simple class method overriding. Overloading. Okay. So now over here I'm going to show how method overloading work. Before that, let me know what is let you know guys what is the method overloading. So method overloading in the same class multiple method with same name but different parameters but different arguments. So you can pass, it's called method overloading. So if you don't have any parameters or arguments, then if you have try to create a method with same name, it will be show error. So Java is not allowed with same name method with multiple method with same name in same class. So this is the how it should be compile error. So now if I create an example, I create a one method public static void what are you gonna say test one. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, this is the one method I creating over here. So over here, and I'm going to create int a apple. Okay, and also here remember that guys, I'm showing you the method overloading. Also I will be showing you how to do parameterized. Pass, not hard coded the value. So please take a look what I'm doing. So feel free to ask question if you have any question about, if you don't misunderstand each other. So please just comment section, ask any questions, I will be give the answer. So int apple, I'm not passing any value here. Okay, so over here I say int apple, and I say over here shortcut is apple. Okay, so this is the variable one test I did over here. Now if I create a same method over here, what will happen? This should be, I'm not sure why I'm not showing, it should be error because it's not going to allow. I'm going to let you show why it's not going to allow. So now if I say it over here apple, so now I create another class, new Java class, and I'm gonna do method overloading main. Okay, for understanding purpose. So over here I'm going to create a main class, public static void main string. Okay, the main class already, main method already created. Okay, so now I'm going to extend the class inherits. Okay, I'm going to method overriding over here. So again same like last class or whatever we show last video, extends and method overloading. Make sure which class here, because in the same project you can call, if there's a public method you can always call or extend public class. So now this is already have method overriding, so it's the method overloading. So I'm saying method overloading class I'm extended. So now I want to call test one. Okay, let's see what happened. test 1. So now I'm going to run the test. You see, duplicate method test 1. So that means it's duplicate, so is not able to compile. So what will happen, this is recognized as a duplicate method. With this method which is same name is not possible. But how method overloading work? Overloading the same class, multiple method with same name but different parameters. So it has to be something which is different than this. So I can here pass int banana, so I pass here int banana, okay, and this is banana here. So now over here you will see it will work. So now if I go to the test 1 and there's the two test 1 have. So this is the one test 1, this is the one test 1, one with the argument, one with it not argument. Now if you example call test 1 over here, test 1, okay, I call one test 1, and again see over here test 1 which is the integer parameters over here, which is the integer variable is a banana. Another one the test 1 which is don't have any parameters, okay. So this is have this is have argument, this test 1 don't have argument, and another one have argument. So we have to make sure we calling the both. So I'm calling the this already I need to call this one. If I call this one, okay, I need to pass the integer value, which is I put the value over here integer in banana. I don't put any value, I just variable. What is the banana? Banana, of course, is banana. What is the value? Integer represent represent number, so we have to pass the number here. So if I put here like 40, okay, so if I put 40, so if you go here it will be take there because this is integer variable have, and if I go common this one which will be take this one. So now I pass this banana value is here, okay, so which is the 40. So if I run the test now, error, cannot make a specific reference non-static field apple. This is again guys, this variable is not static, but I'm calling this variable inside the static. So what I can do, I just put inside. I don't want to write over here. So now it will be work. Okay, the local variable apple may not have been initialized. Okay, this apple, okay, this apple int. Okay, so what I can do, easy life, make easy life int apple here. Okay, so different parameters in different things, and no need here this one. So if I put here apple, you have to put the value. Let me keep simple. So over here initialize because I didn't put any value, okay, so that's why they're saying that. So now example, I created the test 1 method over here, test 1 method. What is the difference between this one have integer argument over here, this is don't have any argument inside the method. So that's why is little different than that, but name is same. So in same class, method overriding class, more than one method with same name we can write. Is that possible with Java, but with different pattern. It's called method overloading. So now if you run the test, You see 30 and 40. 30 from the test 1 and 40 from the test 1. Both methods are same, but parameter is different. So now we know how method overloading work. So method overloading with parameter with in argument, integer argument or string or whatever you can pass. You guys can try to with string, see how is it work. So basically we know how to pass the argument, method overloading with same name with different argument in same class. Okay, so we actually basically when you use this argument, so you don't hard coded the value here. See, we don't code. So now anybody can call this method, and choose their number whatever they want. So we are not hard coding the number here. Over here we hard coded. Now if I call this method, I don't have chance to change any number here whatever I want, because already code exists, is variable already fixed, is a variable here. So now the value is already over there, but over here you can see if I call this, and because of parameterize or argument happened, that's why I'm gonna call here the value. So it is not hard coded. So that's it for today, guys. So now we know how method overloading work. See you soon, guys. Feel free to uh, ask question if you have any comment. If you like to, feel free to just in comment section, and please press the like button, subscribe. There will be more